Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to schedule night shift in MacBook. So if you are using MacBook Pro or MacBook Air or any MacBook devices and you want to schedule night shift in your MacBook, this video will show you how to schedule night shift in MacBook. So first of all I am going to show you what is night shift. So when you click on this icon, display icon, here you will see night shift. Okay, so what is this night shift? So this will reduce the brightness and you can see clearly everything on screen, and also your eyes will be comfortable on looking this screen. So this is night shift, so you can schedule it. So now in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule it. So if you are not seeing this icon here, so first of all I'm going to show you how to get this icon here. Okay, display icon here. So what you have to do, go into the system preferences. Okay, and here you will see dock and menu bar, and here uh, click on display, and here you have to click on this when active, or you have to click on this always. Okay, so like this. Now what you have to do, just click on it. Now click on night shift and display preferences, and here you will see night shift option here bottom, at the bottom. Just click on it, and here you can custom, just click on custom, and now here you can just select this, and here manual turn on until tomorrow. Okay, this is manual. So like this you can do it. So now like this you can schedule a night shift. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.